So many people ask me, are there replacement or prescription lenses for the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses? Here we go. I have the VoodooDE prescription lenses for the Ray-Ban Meta, and what you see here inside these glasses, I attached them already and they are really cool. I will show them in this video, and you will also get a 10% coupon code when you go via my link in the description. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go.
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, and if you want replacement or prescription lenses for the Ray-Ban Meta, here we go. So if you order the package from VoodooDE, you get this package, and inside that you have a cleaning cloth and the lenses. These come in this cool package, and then here we have the right and the left lenses. And now you can see, I will just get one of them out of the package, and you will notice, so this is the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer in the large edition, and you can see that these lenses do not fit here. They are for the small version. See that? It's too small for my. These are the VoodooDE large edition. They are already inside. But here is the Ray-Ban Meta of my wife. This is the Wayfarer small edition. And here you can see this fits. Yeah? So we have the VoodooDE lenses in different sizes. And what you're gonna do is, it's just easy. I don't want to do it again and again. Just push the glasses to the outside, push it. You have to push a little bit hard to get them out, but it's okay, they will not break. Push them out. And the other lenses, push them inside from the inside, and then it does a click, and then you're good to go. That's pretty cool, right? So very, very easy, and they are working very, very good. So, and this is mine. The only difference, I don't know if you can see it. So in the original lenses, there is the Ray-Ban logo. I'm not sure if you can see it, it's right here. Here's the Ray-Ban. And in the VoodooDE, there is nothing. Yeah, it's just clean. So this is the only difference, yeah. Everything else, they are really good quality and so on. And you can order them in many different ways. So we can order them with prescription or plano without prescription. And you can even, if you order them with prescription, you can do the progressive lenses. So with two different prescription functions, and that's really nice. And you can both the lenses with prescription and without prescription with the photochromic functions. And that means when you are inside like this, everything is clean, you see that? And when you go outside and there is sun, they are getting darker. For now I can't show it to you, but I made some pictures when it was outside, before the sun and after the sun. So you can see the difference. I try to show the picture now to you, so you should see the difference. And you can order the photochromic function in 8 different colors. And you can order the Ray-Ban Meta prescription lenses from VoodooDE for all the Ray-Ban editions. For example, these two are the Wayfarer. This is the big Wayfarer, this is the small Wayfarer. You can choose them from VoodooDE, but you also get them for the Headliner and Skylar edition in all variants and sizes from VoodooDE. That's really nice. And you can also add some additional features. For example, anti-blue light or anti-glare. This is a little bit more expensive, just I think $5 or $10. If you add anti-blue light and anti-glare, that's fine. If you buy them for the minimum price, that's only $20 for a pair. You will of course not get prescription or something, or photochromic, and also not anti-blue light but anti-glare, but you will have anti-scratch, anti-static, anti-UV, anti-reflection and easy to clean, like those here. They are the cheapest lenses and they are $20. But if you need the absolute maximum, the strongest prescription lenses with progressive and photochromic and anti-blue light, anti-glare, you will have to pay up to $375 for a pair. But this is only for the absolute strongest prescription. People that wear glasses and have strong glasses, they know what I mean. Yeah? So the price goes from $20 to $375, depending on your eyes and whatever. I think that's a fair price. It's okay, yeah. And please, guys, remember that with my coupon code VoodooDE10 or just going via my link in the description, you will save 10% on the VR Rock lenses. And in my opinion, you know, I show many videos of VR Rock. They are really doing good stuff, and people that already have them, I think they can confirm they are really good. They don't do shit, yeah. It's really good, and I can recommend it. So just go via my link and save some money. If you didn't see my review of the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, I will put that also in the description down below. I hope you liked the video. If yes, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE